Hello everyone, welcome to Team DM Agency YouTube channel. And after a long time, I'm back again with another video. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a very important topic that is Shopbase store. Who has no any PayPal or payment gateway for dropshipping from Shopify? Those guys can continue their dropshipping from Shopbase store. So today I'm going to show you how to create Shopbase store, and after that a second video I will show you how to use a 1 year free subscription. You won't need 1 year subscription fee. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, you go to search Shopbase, Shopbase login, and you can see there is a sign in Shopbase. I just click here. Just loading here. Then you can see here sign in, email, password, forget password. So if you have already Shopbase, then you just put here email and password. But I don't have any Shopbase store. Then you see here don't have an account, then sign up. So I just click here sign up. Then you are put here your email. Okay, I just check my email from here. And then you uh, put your password. Okay, you must be follow this instruction. The first word will be capital letter, then you will the character, then you use the everything. Then I hit sign up. Okay, and then never I use. And you can see here is the option. After that you can see here is the your first name, your last name. So you put here the first name and the last name. Then Bangladesh, your personal location, your store location, you must be put your own store location. Okay, so how should we contact you? So here must be you put your phone number. I put here my phone number, and there you can see the Facebook. It's the optional. Then you just sign up. So next one. Then help us build the store that fits you most. Which business type you want for your store? So print on demand, general dropshipping, niche dropshipping. So I just select the niche dropshipping. So what is your current monthly revenue? So I'm just getting started. Then next. So plus base, shop base. So I suggested it. I want to plus base store because you must be selected for your drop shipping. Okay, otherwise you won't get free for 1 year plan. Okay, I'm just waiting for this. Yeah, your store is ready to go, so I'm just waiting for see this option. Yeah, already our store is ready, but you must have to confirm your email because you can see the one verification code is here. You confirm your email. Okay, and then you can see there is the add product store, find product. There have learned many options. So after some video I will describe everything. Okay, so you just created your store, and next video I will show the active plan for 1 year freely on year. Okay, so for this video you must be subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.